Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to clone documents with form field values in BoldSign. The clone document feature enables users to copy or duplicate existing documents. With the With Form Field Values option, cloned documents retain their original default values, ensuring that pre-filled data remains preserved. This functionality saves time and effort, while maintaining consistency across multiple versions of a document. It is particularly beneficial for repetitive tasks, such as onboarding or contract renewals, allowing users to create and modify versions without starting from scratch. Imagine a scenario where a sales manager customizes a sales agreement with specific form field settings and default values, then sends it to a client for signature. Later, the sales manager realizes they need to send the same agreement, with all customizations intact, to another client under similar terms. Instead of recreating the document from scratch, the sales manager uses BoldSign's Clone with Form Field Values option to duplicate the agreement, preserving all original settings and default field values. This saves time, allowing them to focus on closing more deals rather than setting up the document. Let me demonstrate how a sales manager would clone an existing contract form with form field values. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. Here I expand the Documents menu and choose My Documents. This action takes me to the My Documents page, where a list of all my documents is displayed. I need to clone the existing sales contract form. To do this, I first locate the specific sales contract document. There are two ways to clone a document in BoldSign. The first method is by hovering over the document and clicking the Context menu, which lists options. From these options, choose Clone Document. Alternatively, I can access this option by clicking on the document to navigate to its overview page. Here the details of the document are provided. I click More Actions, and a list of options is displayed. I select Clone Document. The Clone Document dialog box opens, showing the available options for cloning the document. There are two options available for cloning documents: without form field values and with form field values. Selecting the Without Form Field Values option clones the document with form fields, but without default values, while the With Form Field Values option retains the original document's default values in the form fields. However, certain fields such as signature, initial, image, attachment, company, and title will be displayed without their default values due to security and functionality limitations. There is also a note alerting me that only supported form field values will be cloned, along with a documentation link providing more details on the supported fields. Since I want to clone the document with the default form field values, I select the With Form Field Values option and then click Clone. A copy of the sales contract form is generated, and once completed, I navigate to its Prepare Document for Signing page. On this page, all the customizations done in the initial document are displayed, and I can change them if necessary. Back to our scenario. The sales manager needs to send the same document to another client. To do this, I move to the Add Recipient section and replace the initial client's details with the other new client's details. Once done, I click the Next button. This takes me to the Configure Form Fields page. This is where I'll set up the form fields. On this page, the form fields from the initial contract document are displayed. As you can see, all customizations and default values for the form fields are retained. I can remove or add any form field based on my needs. I'll proceed with these settings. I'll check them once, and then send the document out for signature by clicking Send. The document has been sent successfully. That summarizes how to clone documents with form fields in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.